Now to go into further, we will see how we can utilize these API. When we go to any particular API page, then we'll see the details about this API. I have clicked the first link of the API, that is for the list of get available DIDs. It's a function called get available DIDs. In this page we will see a brief description about the DID, the method, how we can utilize this DID. Also, a very important feature that we have an example of code, a sample code that we have that we can easily utilize within our particular example. Now be careful, we have to use our own credential instead of this samples, because this is a sample, this is an example, so we have to utilize our own credential. You see over here we are using user ID, password, country code, area code, vendor ID, rating, and so on. In the array we are passing 4 different values over here. The first one is user ID, the second one is password, the third one is country code, and the fourth one is area code. Now you're seeing -1 instead of area code. It is because we can use -1 if we want to use a wildcard. This means it will show all the area code related to this country code. So if you want to be specific with a particular area code, then you have to put in that particular area code over here. Otherwise you can put -1 for a wildcard.